Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a simple cake recipe with you all which I made in the Instant Pot. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make cake in the Instant Pot. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. You can use any cake mix recipe for this. If you are using a box cake like me, just follow the instructions given on the back side of the box. To make a cake batter, take a bowl, add the cake mix powder. I'm just replacing 3 eggs with 4 eggs. Add vegetable oil and water. Incorporate it well. Don't overbeat it. Grease the pan. Pour in the batter. Fill the batter 3/4 of the pan so that when it bakes, it won't overflow. Tap the pan gently on the countertop so that any air bubbles in the batter rise to the surface and pop it. Cover the pan with foil. Pour 1½ cup of water into the inner pot. Place the trivet. Keep the cake pan inside. Close the lid and seal the vent. Pressure cook the cake for 37 minutes on high. Turn off the keep warm button. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 10 to 15 minutes, then release the remaining pressure. Once spin goes down, open the lid carefully. Take out the cake pan. After 5 minutes, take off the foil. It's a simple trick. Once it's cooled down a little, flip the cake pan into wire rack or in a plate. You can decorate the cake as you want or enjoy it as it is. I'm gonna decorate it with a simple chocolate ganache made with 1/3 cup of warm heavy cream and 1 cup of chocolate. Just make sure that the cake is cooled down completely before pouring the ganache. Look at the fluffy and yummy cake is ready. Do try this Instant Pot cake recipe. You will enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.